and the best beaches in Italy. And if you're coming to Puglia, know that you can have this for breakfast. And you think it can't get any prettier, you will stumble upon this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in Puglia finally. We came to the south of Italy and I'm so excited to explore this amazing region with you and to show it to you. It's the first time here for me and well, I'm so emotional. Honestly guys, how incredible is that we are here finally and we're starting our trip here in Polignano, Mare, one of the most picturesque towns in the whole region. So if you're ready guys, don't forget to subscribe first because we're here for a ride and we invite you to join our lovely travel family. Hit the bell button so you don't miss anything, including all of my other travel vlogs from Puglia. And now we can finally begin. This city, guys, has such a unique vibe, and it really is unparalleled to whatever I've seen before in Italy, and it actually dates back to the Neolithic times. However, it has changed so many dominions over centuries, from the Roman dominion to Byzantine to even the dominion of Republic of Venice at some point. So yeah, this city has seen so many rules, and it remained true to itself, conserving this special atmosphere, conserving this absolutely fantastic view, because just look at these houses. I love that everything is so white here and so peculiar, and all the streets are charming. I honestly am so excited to explore more of this city. I'm so excited to check out all the local cafes, because something that I've already noticed is that the majority of cafes and coffee shops here are actually so modern and so creative. And this is not something you see everywhere in Italy. Here on every corner you can find these absolutely magnificent little coffee shops, and I'm so excited. And actually I haven't had breakfast yet, so yeah, let's go, let's find some breakfast, let's start our day here in Polignano. You can hardly find a person who doesn't know the famous song Volare. But did you know that the original author of this song, Domenico Modugno, was a Polignano native? No wonder he was inspired by the beauty around and these turquoise waters. I actually think that we are quite lucky, because it's June now when we are filming it and there aren't as many people as are expected, but also because we've planned everything in advance. And you know how it works during summer, you absolutely have to plan everything well beforehand, because summer means vacations, but it also always means travel mishaps like delays and cancellations and lost luggage and all this kind of stuff that can pretty much bug your holiday. Luckily, we have planned everything well in advance. We have carefully organized everything, and I highly recommend you to do the same, especially if you're going to really touristy destinations, you know, hot destinations like Puglia, for example. And if you guys want to feel protected, if you're looking for a safety net during your holidays, or even better, a safety wing, my partners and I have you covered. Safety Wing is a company run by travelers and for travelers like you and me, and they offer the world's first international travel medical insurance, which means that you're covered not only for medical emergencies like doctors or hospital visits all around the world, but also all the travel misadventures that could happen, especially during summer, because don't even get me started on all the mishaps that are happening to travelers during peak season. You know what I'm talking about, lost luggage and delays and cancellations and all other things. You can be sure that you will get help immediately. Most importantly, guys, you can get insured during any point of your journey. So if you are traveling regularly or if you're a digital nomad, you do not have to worry about renewing your coverage, thanks to their flexible options and subscription that you can cancel anytime. As a traveler myself, I know how important it is to travel knowing that you are safe and protected and having a complete peace of mind. So guys, if you're not insured yet, let's get you insured. Check the link in my description box and get yourself your nomad insurance so that Safety Wing has your back while you are exploring the world. So I'm starting my day with a breakfast here because how can you not? It's a lovely piazza, a lovely day, the weather is awesome, and I'm having coffee with pasticciotto, which is one of the most typical things to try here. So I'm actually trading my usual brioche, my usual croissant for breakfast for pasticciotto, for very local Pugliese thing. So guys, I got my pasticciotto with cream and amarenas, which are basically the cherries. I think they're actually called different. Anyway, guys, this is like a cake that is made of this dough, very particular dough, and it's filled with jam and cream. And it's so good, trust me. I've tried it in Bologna before, but I've never tried it here, and so it's time to try the original one. It's very good, guys. You have to try it. It's very traditional, and if you're coming to Puglia, know that you can have this for breakfast. And also I have my coffee, which is absolutely incredibly great. And look at this bottle of water. This is one of the biggest peculiarities of south of Italy. It's very common to give you the whole bottle of water with your coffee, while in the north of Italy they will usually just give you a tiny glass. So yeah, let's have my coffee, my water, and my pasticciotto. So enjoy your meal, guys, if you're eating, and if you're not, you'll probably be hungry after this. Guys, as someone who grew up by the sea and someone who loves the sea a lot, I can tell you that this is one of the best sea views I've ever seen. Totally, you have to come here, and I will leave you all of the places that I'm visiting, as always, in the description box in the form of Google Maps pins, so that you can just easily add them to your phone and come and see them for yourselves. And if you want even more tips, and if you want even more places, do not forget about my Patreon page. I will leave you the link in the description box so you can check it out and subscribe to get weekly travel tips and itineraries and updates. And I always make sure to include all the Google Map pins so that you can visit all these places easily, just adding them to your phone and, you know, exploring and traveling. So yeah, check the link in the description and come join me. I'd be so happy to welcome you there. Guys, I have to tell you, this street is absolutely spectacular, so Insta-worthy. If you're looking for a place where you can take amazing pictures, you know where to come to. This place is absolutely incredible. The whole village, the whole town is not that big, but almost every corner here is so unique and so beautiful, and everything is so different compared to the north of Italy, and I just love it so much. What really strikes me is the amount of flowers and plants and greenery, and look, even olive trees in these huge pots. And I really like it because, you know, the houses are mostly white or this beige color, and look how cool is it when you have all this greenery on every step, and most balconies are covered with colorful flowers, and it just gives so much life and so much character to the streets. One of the local citizens, the local artist and poet, recreated different quotes on the walls of Polignano Mare, not only of his poems, but also the quotes of famous people, like this one, for example, by Jim Morrison, that says that life is like a mirror and it will smile to you if you look at it smiling, and I love it. You can find these little quotes all around the city, and it's absolutely magnificent. As you guys walk the streets of this town and you think it can't get any prettier, you will stumble upon this, and this view is everything. If you need any more reason to come here, here it is. Just look at this amazing view, and you can actually see one of the most famous beaches in this area from here, but also the cliffs and the color of the sea and all these white houses. It's absolutely incredible. Just look at it. The wind is absolutely insane, but the view is so worth it. Did you know, guys, by the way, that the cliffs of Polignano are famous for being one of the places where the Red Bull cliff jumping competition is held? It is held all around the world, and here as well. I can totally get why, because can you imagine the extreme lovers jumping from these cliffs? Wow! Guys, Puglia is incredibly Insta-worthy, and if you want to know all of the best places where to take pictures, and if you want to stay updated on all of our travel plans and wherever we are shooting and whatever we are up to, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will leave you the link in the description box as always, and also here, so come say hi, follow me, check it out, let's stay connected. And in the meantime, I'm taking you to a very peculiar place. I'm so excited to share it with you because we are going to try a very local drink, very local, actually more of a dessert than a drink, that you must try when you are in Puglia. Let's go with me. Caffè Speciale is a special type of coffee prepared with a shot of espresso, lemon zest, whipped cream and amaretto liquor. And it was invented right here, so check the description for the link to this coffee shop. Apparently, guys, there used to be this competition that is called Balconi Furyti, which means the flowered balconies. So, because I can see here that this balcony, for example, was registered under number 8, and I suppose that maybe the whole town is so beautifully decorated because of this competition, and I think it's absolutely amazing. But also just think of it, how these white and creamy and beige, maybe like even yellow houses make for a perfect backdrop for colorful decorations and flowers. I can hardly imagine something like this in Bologna, for example, with all of our orange and red houses, but here you can get creative as much as you want. And speaking of creativity, guys, come here and I'll show you what the locals are up to, because this is absolutely fantastic. Just come have a look. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this amazing town of Polignano a Mare. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below, because we are just starting our Puglia trip and there are many other amazing travel vlogs waiting for you, so you don't miss anything. And as always, like, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make even more videos like this. Thank you so much for being here. Please explore the world and travel more and enjoy your day.